This is the Laurell WS400B-6NPP Lite spin coater. This requires, it's 115 volts, requires 60 to 70 psi of air, and it needs a vacuum pump hooked up to the back, which is not included. Has no on and off switch. When you plug it in, it'll come up, and from this keyboard you can control everything there. As you can see, there are some safety features on here. It has a lid safety switch. If you lift up and the lid pops up, the vacuum is not on, so I'll turn the vacuum on, and it shows you your vacuum pressure there. And if the air was not on, it would also give you a message for that. So if any of those messages are appearing, it will not run. From this screen we have a program loaded. The program number is here. We're on A. It's off. This is showing that there's 5 steps, and we're in step 1, and it's minutes and seconds. I have this programmed with a short program to go through various speeds up to 8,000, which is the maximum speed, and then one step down, showing that it'll come down and stay at that speed. So with that said, I'm going to hit run and stop. It'll begin spinning and counting down, and show your set point and your actual on the second line. At the end of the run, you can see it says end here. It will not let you start another run unless the lid opens up, so it doesn't know that the run has finished until the lid has opened up. You can see it's now gone to off. It's giving the lid message, and our substrate is loaded on top here. To program this, as an example, I'll just show you one with the first step here. F1 to program. Program select just lets you pick which program that you want to run, because you can have multiple programs stored. So we're going to hit F1, which goes into program mode. You can see the program PGM up here is flashing. At this point we can set the time, so we can move the cursor to wherever zone we want. And now if I wanted to increase it to 20 seconds, or let's say 22, just to show you the difference. Go 20, move the cursor over, 1, 2, 22 seconds, and you can then go through setting the RPM to a different speed by going over to there. So say we wanted to go to 600, we would move the cursor to the 5, increase it to 6. When you're finished, you hit enter. It goes back to the beginning. We're still in program mode. At this point you hit F1 and it'll exit out and bring you back, and you can see now that in our program we're at step 1. It's 22 seconds at 600 RPMs. While you're in programming, you can step through the different steps, just change whichever ones you want, and you can add or delete steps from the program.